Quora is a question and answer site that is a home to the most useful and trustworthy answers. It is also one of the best online knowledge sharing platforms where people from all over the world come together and share their knowledge on various topics. With over 100 million monthly users, Quora is definitely an impressive platform for your brand to establish as much presence as possible. To help you get started with your Quora partnership campaign, we have compiled some Quora Partnership Program tips on how you can become a Quora partner, so keep watching so you can learn a little bit more. So if you do appreciate me for posting this video for you for free on YouTube, then like this video so that this video gets to 1,000 likes as fast as possible. Now with all that being said and done, let us get started with today's video proper. Now, what are the benefits of the Quora partnership? There are many advantages of becoming a Quora partner, and 4 of them will be revealed to you very shortly. The number 1 benefit of being a partner on Quora is increased visibility of your content. You will be able to publish content directly to the news feed on Quora. This makes it visible to millions of Quora users. So whatever niche you find yourself, you can partner with Quora and get millions of people to see your content. The number 2 benefit of being a Quora partner is to build brand awareness. A whole range of topics are also discoverable in the discovery section on the Quora app and also on the Quora website. This is a great place to promote your brand, share your expertise, and connect with new audiences. The number 3 benefit of being a Quora partner is improved click-through rate. CTR, also known as click-through rate, is a metric that measures how many users click on the link in your content versus the number of times that your content was shown. Meaning that if you put out a content, which could be a video content or a blog content or any form of content at all, when this content is shown to say 1,000 people, the percentage of people who click through to see what your content is about is what is known as the click-through rate or the CTR. Being a Quora partner will help you increase your click-through rate, which may lead to more traffic and also more engagement. The number 4 benefit of being a Quora partner is more in-app promotion. A lot of internet users make use of cell phones that is internet enabled. Since Quora is a place where you can increase visibility to your content, brand awareness, and reach millions of people, it is also a place where you can promote your content through the mobile app. As a Quora partner, you will be able to promote your content to a broader base of users through the Quora app and also through the Quora website and its newsletters. To join the Quora Partner Program, you need to apply for it. You have to go to quora.com/partner and apply for it. There are 2 types of partnerships when it comes to Quora, and shortly we will see what they are. The 2 types of Quora partners are 1. Content partners and 2. Content marketing partners. The content partners on one hand are writers or publishers who want to contribute original content to Quora, while content marketing partners, on the other hand, are marketers who want to promote their existing content on Quora. As a part of your application process, make sure to include the following. Take note of value proposition for Quora users. You need to know why would readers care about what you have to say. Make sure you are aware of what problems you are solving for your audience. What insights about your industry could you provide? Always have a sample of your work on Quora. Create a sample post on Quora that showcases your ability to create high quality posts. Always have a plan for promoting your posts. Create a detailed plan that outlines how you will promote your post, how many times a week you post content, including the social media channels you plan on using to target your audience, and lastly, how much you are willing to spend. Here are a few tips to increase your chance of becoming a Quora partner. The number 1 on our list is to build your Quora profile. Build your Quora profile to showcase your expertise, your knowledge, and your experience as well. This will help you get more followers on the Quora platform. The next thing you need to do is to publish high quality posts. Make sure to post high quality posts on Quora. Post links to your websites, post links to your YouTube videos or other social media platforms, which of course must be related to your industry. The thing that you need to do is to create a brand identity for your account. Create a name for your Quora account and use it consistently in all of your Quora posts. This will help people recognize your account when you share new content on the Quora platform. The next thing you need to do is to engage with other users. Engage with users on the Quora platform and create some sense of community. This will help you build your own profile and following. The next thing that you need to do is to participate in the online communities. Other online communities like subreddits can be a great place to build your Quora profile and get more followers. One other thing that you can do to increase your chances to become a Quora partner is to promote your posts. Promote your posts to your followers and get more people reading your content. Quora is a great platform to share your expertise, gain authority in your industry, and connect with new audiences. Becoming a Quora partner can help you achieve all of these things and even more. Start building your profile and gaining followers to increase your chances of becoming a partner. Once you are a partner, you can increase your brand's reach and earn more money and promote your content to a broader audience.